In 2020, Nature Communications published an article about a study saying that the average person has over 6,000 thoughts per day. In Mind Matters, it said that an average person has 12,000 to 60,000 thoughts per day. Regardless, that is a lot. In the National Science Foundation, it also said that 80% of our thoughts are negative and 95% are repetitive. So what is the value of the practices of meditation and breath work? Well, they cultivate mindfulness, which means a non-judgmental awareness of the present moment with the intention to be present. And this allows you to become more aware of subtleties such as your thought patterns. And through awareness, you have more freedom to choose what you give your focus and thus perpetuate, or what you choose to let go of, disrupting the patterns of negative thoughts. Also, your thoughts affect your emotions and how you feel energetically. And breathwork and meditation are a chance to slow down the momentum of the thoughts and connect to your inner sense of stillness, thus affecting how you feel and giving you more reins of how you want to direct your course of feeling after the practice of breathwork and meditation.